Topic: breathing. How do we cough? Here's the bacteria in your throat. So the brain sends a signal called a cough response. When you breathe in, the air comes to the lungs. The epiglottis closes, and your rib muscle starts to contract to your lungs, allowing a pressure. While the windpipe is closed, there is more pressure. The epiglottis opens, and the bacteria rushes out. And that's how we cough. Thanks for watching. See ya!